Antonyms and synonyms. Antonyms and synonyms tell you about the relationship between two words. If the words mean the opposite of each other, they are antonyms. If the words have the same meaning as each other, they are synonyms. Just think of it like this. Antonyms are opposite, and synonyms are similar. Are cats and dogs antonyms? Remember, that means opposites. No. Sometimes these animals do not get along, but that doesn't make them opposites. The words cat and dog don't have antonyms because there is no such thing as an uncat or an undog. But these words do have synonyms, which means what? Similar. Right. Can you think of another word that has the same meaning? Or that you could use in place of the word cat? Maybe a word like kitty? You could say, "This is my kitty, Fluffy," or "This is my cat, Fluffy," and the sentences would have the same meaning. How about another word for dog, like pooch? Can you think of any more synonyms? How about a synonym for frightened? How about scared? Frightened and scared have the same meaning. Or how about quick? Can you think of a word that means the same thing as quick? Maybe fast? Or maybe even speedy? Yes, words can have more than one synonym. Fast, quick, and speedy are all synonyms. They all have the same meaning. What about some antonyms, or words with opposite meanings? Does fast have an antonym? Yes, slow. Slow is the opposite of fast, so they are antonyms. If you said, "My car is fast and my car is slow," you'd be saying two very different things, opposite things. How about old? Does old have an opposite? Yep. Young. Young and old are antonyms. Does new have any antonyms? Old? Didn't we already use old? That's right. Some words can have more than one antonym or opposite. New and old are also antonyms, just like young and old. So, does that mean that if old is an antonym of new and young, that young and new are synonyms? Sometimes, but not always. New and young don't really have the same meaning. Usually, things are new, and people are young, but things and people both get old. Can you think of any more antonyms? Exhausted and energized. Heavy and light. Dark and light. Aha! Another tricky one. By the way, those were all adjectives, but synonyms and antonyms can also be verbs. Raise is an antonym of lower. Tug is a synonym of pull. Also, they can be nouns. You'll find a lot fewer nouns that have antonyms, but there are a few. Day and night are antonyms. Bucket and pail are synonyms. All you have to do is remember this. Antonyms are opposite and synonyms are similar.